Hey y'all, it's Callie Teegardin coming live from Scottsdale, Arizona. It is my very first Callie's Corner, and I'm very excited about this. I had to prove I was in Scottsdale to you guys. You like the cactus? Most interesting cactus I've ever seen and artwork, but I made it in this morning. I am here, so I want to thank you guys for joining me. I'm really excited. I'm going to be doing these every couple of days as ideas and different things come about. So what's Callie's Corner? It's going to be different things from me. It could be shopping tips. It could be travel tips, things that I've learned or seen along the way. Recipes. I'm going to do some cooking for you guys. You know, I lost my mom a couple years ago. She was a phenomenal cook and hostess, and I absolutely love some of her recipes. So I'm going to be sharing those with you guys. Looking at my notes, books. If you guys know anything about me, I'm an avid reader. I just finished the 5th book of the year on the plane. I read fiction, I read nonfiction, a little bit of everything. So every once in a while I'll come in and share with you guys what I am reading. But I just want to have fun with this and share my different experiences, maybe give you some ideas, things that you can think about. They won't be long, but they'll be fun. Some will probably be a little crazy, especially when we get me in the kitchen. But I'm really glad to be here. So I wanted to share a story that happened yesterday and a shout out. So any of you know me, you know that I am a huge Kendra Scott Brand. It's a brand out of Texas, Austin, Texas. I live in the Houston area. My earrings that I have on right now, these are Kendra's. My friend Willie gave me these for Christmas. Absolutely love them. So I was at, actually back up a couple days ago, I was recording a podcast. Luckily it was a podcast and sound only. And I had a necklace on, my silver one, my rope one. And at the end of the podcast, I looked down and in my lap were the tassels. So it was a lot like this. This tassel had come off the necklace, was in my lap, and I love that necklace. And so yesterday I went to the Kendra Scott store and took in my necklace, and they gave me a new one. That's one of the things I love about the brand. They treat everyone like you're their sister. And so if you have an issue, I've had other pieces where the stone has broken. They've always taken amazing care of me. So if you are looking for a brand to support, it is an amazing brand. Kendra gives back. They've got so much going on. So the interesting thing that was also happening is I was wearing the gold rope necklace. So same necklace, it was gold, and it was my mom's. Actually, it was one of the things when she passed away that I kept of hers, and it had never been right. The piece here where it attached, didn't hook. It actually was always coming undone, and it was annoying. And I didn't even mention that when I had it on. The lady brought me the new gold one out, and she was like, I noticed your other one is broken as well, so I brought you a new one. And I had a moment of thought, because it was my mom's necklace that I had on, and you know, I took the new one, but for a second I was like, oh, that was my mom's. And I thought about it, and I'm like, my mom would want me to have the new one. But it's interesting how we attach things that we receive from our parents, from people that have passed away. I have another necklace of my mom's that I will always keep, but it did make me think, and actually she was in my dreams last night. So Mom, I'm still thinking about you if you can hear, but I just thought that was really cool that they went above and beyond the Call of Duty. I didn't ask them to replace the gold necklace, but here's the new one. It's shinier, it's perfect, and it did kind of annoy me that it was always hanging out. And I think my mom would agree that the new one is better. So if you haven't been, Kendra Scott, amazing brand to go to support. And so anyway, that's what these are going to be about. Just tips, ideas, travel thoughts, different things that I can help with you and share from my life. But anyway, I'm going to be in Scottsdale the next couple of days. I'm out here for the Send Out Cards Leadership Retreat. hanging out with a bunch of people. 72 affiliate ships qualified. So we are going to be finding out some new stuff. And most of it I won't be able to share with you until later. We do have to sign non-disclosures, but it's what's coming in the future. So anyway, just wanted to share with you guys the first Callie's Corner. Comment below. Let me know what you guys want to hear from me. What would you like? Any different topics or things that you'd like me to share? I will be happy to, and I will be back in a couple of days. So thanks for watching the first one, and we'll chat later. Bye, everyone. Thanks.